Welcome to FX Street. We're going to be going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Shiba, Doge, Polkadot, and Cardano this morning and talking about what they're doing, where they're going, our outlooks for the remainder of the week, or at least until we visit again over them on Friday. But before we do that, we would really encourage you to head on over to YouTube, join our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Follow us on FXS Crypto on Twitter, and you can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangyeko, and myself at JustAnalysis1. I'm going to keep this one kind of short too on Polkadot. The move today is very bullish. It's moved back inside the cloud. It's above the Tenkan Sen and the Kijun Sen on the daily chart. It's up like 7.5% or something right now, and just performing beautifully. The next major resistance point that Polkadot's going to face is right up at that $21 to $22 range. That's where the 618 fib retracement and the kind of upper range of this pullback that occurred back in around the 8th of February. So that's what's happening there on the weekly chart, though. Polkadot, it's getting 3 candlesticks here that are bullish, but most importantly is that so far, and we're really early into the week, we have lots of time left for things to turn ugly, but it's above the Tenkan Sen on the weekly chart. And also, I do want to point out, here's another example of why the Kumo twists are important. There's a Kumo twist that occurred last week, and we're seeing how the market responded to that Kumo twist as a likely low. But when you look at the what am I saying? Sorry, if you look at the current daily, if you look at the current weekly chart, it's above the Tenkan Sen, and this is a big deal for a couple of reasons. If it closes above the Tenkan Sen on the weekly chart, that'll be the first time since November 19th of 2021. But also, it's the first time it's even moved above the Tenkan Sen since the week of November 26th, 2021. So, we're talking, November, December, January, February, March, like 4 months since Polkadot even tested this Ichimoku level, and very bullish on it. And like the downside risks are likely limited to that 16 cent range. Really not worried about that. But this trade idea has been here for a long time. This is based on a spike pattern. It's the first 3-box reversal of this column of O's. So this column of O's first showed up on November 3rd. And since November 3rd, so we're on the 22nd, November, December, January, February, March. It could probably won't be, but it could be into April 3rd. That'd be 5 months. But right now it's close to 5 months since Polkadot's had any type of reversal off of this column of O's. And there's no time factor in point and figure, but still, the amount of time that this has done this is quite, it's impressive. And so the reversal here should be impressive too. But anyways, as far as where it's going for the rest of the week until Akash and I revisit on Friday, I'd say on the low end, upside potential is limited to the $21 range. On the high end, that $25 to $26 level, depending on how momentum goes here. So that does it for me on Polkadot. I will pass it off to you, Akash.
Thank you, John. So not a lot has changed for Polkadot since the last discussion, where I pointed out this fractal, which contains a swing high followed by a triple tap setup, a minor uptrend, consolidation, and a massive explosion. So far, we've seen exactly that, a swing high followed by a triple tap setup over here, which lasts for 44 days. Since the last tap of this setup, Polkadot price has continued to rally. And as you can see here, for today, the price is already showing 7.7% returns. And there's a good chance Polkadot could form a double top here at 20.34. But overcoming this hurdle, Polkadot could see and retest the 22.5 resistance level, which is a major level considering the previous retests. If bulls can overcome this level, there's a good chance the next leg up could retest $31. So upside capped at 31 with a potential local top at 20.34 and 22.45. As for the downside, a daily close below 15.8 would invalidate the triple tap setup and obviously the fractal, in which case you can even expect Polkadot to head down to 13.15 support level. Here, there's a chance where the Polkadot price could form like a massive triple tap setup, where this is the first low, this is the deviation, and then this, if we get something like this would be the triple third tap. So that pretty much sums up my analysis for Polkadot.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please don't forget to follow us on the FX Street YouTube channel and at FXS Crypto on Twitter. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.